In primetime news this evening, corporate area gas leak. Emergency workers investigating noxious fumes that forced business and government offices to close. Farm flies. Residential community outraged by infestation demands solution from politician farm owner. And sargassum solution. Environmentalists and entrepreneurs find benefits for weed that has plagued beaches for decades.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the Reggae Boys squad who will be playing against Canada in the upcoming qualifier? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.